Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you if you're looking to make money online, how to become a notary public and earn an income from the comfort of your own home. If you're ready to learn some valuable insights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Introduction to online notary services. So, you might be wondering, how can you make money as a notary online? Well, with the rise of remote work and digital transactions, the demand for online notary services has never been higher. As a notary public, your role will involve verifying and certifying digital documents, ensuring their authenticity and legality. Number 2. Getting started as an online notary. Become a notary public. Depending on your jurisdiction, the process may vary, but generally, you'll need to complete a training program and pass an exam. Once you're officially commissioned, you can start offering your services both in person and online. Number 3. Building your online presence. Create an online presence. Set up a professional website showcasing your services, qualifications, and contact information. This is crucial for attracting potential clients and building trust in your expertise. Number 4. Marketing your online notary business. Market your online notary business. Utilize social media platforms like LinkedIn and Instagram to showcase your services and connect with potential clients. Networking is key to expanding your reach in the digital realm. Number 5. Exploring online notary platforms. Explore online notary platforms. There are platforms designed specifically for remote notary services, such as Notarize and DocVerify. These platforms can help you connect with clients and streamline the entire process. Number 6. Ensuring legal compliance. Ensure legal compliance. Familiarize yourself with the laws and regulations governing online notarizations in your jurisdiction. Your clients will rely on your expertise to ensure their documents are legally binding. Number 7. Providing excellent customer service. Provide excellent customer service. Your reputation is crucial in the online world. Respond promptly to inquiries, deliver accurate services, and go the extra mile to exceed your clients' expectations. Number 8. Scaling your online notary business. Scale your online notary business. As your client base grows, consider hiring additional notaries to help you manage the workload. This will allow you to take on more clients and increase your income. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make money online as a notary public. With determination, a strong online presence, and a commitment to providing exceptional service, you can tap into the growing demand for remote notary services. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone interested in starting their own online notary business.